Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a yummy recipe of fish biryani. This is something that I also tried for the first time. I hope you all enjoy watching the video. Keep watching. So let's see what all we need here. Onions, tomatoes, mint, coriander, ginger, garlic and chili. Here we are going to crush ginger, garlic and chili. The rest we are going to slice it. Next we are going to take the fish. You need to take the fish that has less bones. Here I have taken avoli fish. You can also take aikura. So usually in Kerala these are the fishes that they make biryani with. You can also use prawns. I've taken around 2.5 tablespoons of chili powder, a little bit of turmeric powder and salt. Also use the lemon juice. This is for the marination of the fish. So I have lots of fish kept aside. I'm going to use only few of them in the recipe. The rest I'm going to fry them later. So I'm going to marinate them all together. To this masala, we are also going to add the ginger, garlic and chili paste that we had crushed earlier. Approximately a tablespoon. Just give a mix, add some water and it should be in semi-thick consistency, not too thick, not too thin, so that it can coat well on the fish. Now let's marinate the fish, taking each piece of fish and making sure that it's coated well. Repeat on each fish and keep it aside. Here I'm separating the head and the body. The head will go into the masala for the flavor, while the others will be fried and then added in the biryani. Now for the rice, I have taken 4 cups of rice. Wash it thoroughly and keep it aside. Take a hot pan and add sunflower oil or vegetable oil. You can also add coconut oil if you want, but for biryani I think sunflower or vegetable oil is much tastier. Once the pan is hot, you can start frying the fish. Turn the fish pieces and make sure you fry it both the side well, because you're not going to cook it again in the biryani. Be careful while turning the fish, it's very delicate, it might break. So as you can see, I have taken only few pieces of fish. The rest I have kept it aside so that whenever required we can fry it freshly. Now my fish is ready. I'm going to transfer it into a plate. Taking out all the extra masalas, because we are going to use the same oil to fry the onions and make the masala for biryani. Add some more oil and once it's hot, you can add the sliced onion. Crush the onion while adding, that makes it easier to fry. Since the oil has all the masalas, I'm not going to add any extra masalas to this. Now adding ginger, garlic and chili crushed. Fry them well. Once it's sauteed well, let's add the chopped tomatoes. It has to get nice and mushy. Let's also add the coriander and mint leaves. Mix well and cook the tomatoes. While it's cooking, let's also add around a tablespoon of pepper powder, a teaspoon of garam masala powder. These two were only missing in the fish fry. That is why we are only adding these two masalas. Let's close and cook the tomatoes well. I had forgotten to add lemon juice, so adding that as well. Add salt as required. Please taste before adding because masala also had some salt. Let's keep it closed and allow it to cook. Moving on to the rice. Take a pan, add around a tablespoon of ghee. Once it's melted, you can add the sunflower oil or the vegetable oil. Here I have used the sunflower oil. By this time my masala has been cooked well, tomatoes have become nice and mushy. Just mixing the oils and adding, as I said before, I had kept the head separate. So adding those pieces, I have just added 2 to 3 pieces. Don't want a lot of flavor as well, so adding just 3 pieces. Mix well and allow the fish to cook. Do not add any water. While it's cooking, let's move back to rice. Now my pan is hot. I'm going to add the onions. I'm going to fry them till they are nice golden brown. Looking back at the masala, you can see the oil has separated well. The fish has cooked as well. Fish takes around 5 minutes, that's it, to cook. Check whether it's cooked. If it's cooked, now you can add the fried fish on top and keep it closed. This is also just for flavor. Now my onions have caramelized well. I'm going to transfer them to a plate. The same oil, I'm going to add some dry fruits, that is some cashews and raisins. Fry them well and transfer them also in another plate. Now in this flavored oil, we are going to add the whole spices. I have taken cinnamon sticks and cloves. After that, adding the washed and drained rice. I'm going to roast the rice really well. Make sure the flame is on high. Roast it well. You will start hearing some sound when it touches the side of the pan. That's when you know that it's roasted well. And I'm going to add hot water. Okay, make sure you're adding hot water only, otherwise the rice will start sticking to each other. So when you add hot water, it will start to bubble. Now we're going to add salt as required and close the lid. Leave it on low flame and do not open until you see that water has evaporated away. So once you open it later, you can see the rice is cooked well and it is perfect, not sticking to each other. So now it's time to assemble everything. I have taken the rice, removing all the fish pieces into another plate. Take a pan that has a good lid and then add the masala in the bottom. Here I didn't see the camera while doing it, so it's moved a little far away. So when I realized, I have pushed it this side. So adding one layer of rice as well. Now I have mixed the color, yellow color, just for a look. So I'm just going to add a little bit of color, adding the fish from the masala, a little bit of garam masala as well, then another layer of masala, then adding the rest of the rice. I felt the rice was a little too much, so I'm going to leave the rest of the rice separate, adding the color, garam masala. Now I'm going to add the fried fish. If we add it in the middle layer, the fish might break and we will not be able to serve properly. Finally, garnishing with onions and dry fruits. I'm going to close it well and leave it for dum.
നല്ല അടിപൊളി ബിരിയാണിയാണ്. സത്യം പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇവിടെ കണ്ണൂർ തലശ്ശേരി ദം ഫിഷ് ബിരിയാണി ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നത്. പക്ഷെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ടൈം തന്നെ സൂപ്പറായിട്ടുണ്ട്, അടിപൊളിയായിട്ടുണ്ട്, ഒന്നും പറയാനില്ല.
I hope you all enjoyed watching the video as much as he enjoyed eating my biryani. Do try it out and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.